health, healing, happiness, hair, skin, nails. So I'm going to Las Vegas again for the annual Health, Healing, and Happiness Weekend Shin Dig, where I will probably take 30 pages worth of notes, and I'll learn all kinds of things, and I'll taste all kinds of wonderful medicinal food, and I plan on sharing everything that I learn with all of you. It's starting to rain. That's what you hear right now. Thanks, nature. Right in the middle of my video. So make sure you subscribe, you click on follow, the notifications, click the bell, whatever it is that lets you know when I drop a new video or post, so you don't miss anything, because I'm going to be learning from people from around the world who are going to be collected here to teach us. People extremely smart, way smarter than you or I, in their particular areas of study. And I'm going to share it all with you because I do that every year. It's a lot of fun, and some people really, really enjoy that. So I'm in a debt of gratitude to all of you who enjoy eating this stuff up. I want to be a good teacher, so I have to be a good student. And I also like to live by example. Most of the time, I have my cheats. I'm not going to fib. I'm a human being. What can I say? And speaking about hair, skin, and nails, so my hair has been growing super fast lately. I'll be sharing more about that from what I learned on this trip too. A lot of things that I learned has everything to do with healthy hair, skin, and nails. And when that's healthy, you know your organs are healthy and your blood is healthy. All those kinds of wonderful things. And honestly, there is a superfoods shake Well, pardon me, my phone interrupted the video. So, where were we? Superfood shake has a lot to do with it. The healthy hair, skin, nails, energy, all that stuff. Been drinking and selling it for many years. And I also love working with people that want to add health and money to their own lives, as I've been doing. And all this info about health, healing, and happiness, for free. I'll give it away all day long anyway, because it's fun. And additionally to that, if you guys, gals, any of you watching this, interested sincerely in how this works to add health and money to your life, your family's life, for your own reasons, whatever they are, feel free to private message me about it. I'll show you my deal. And if you want to do it, we will do it. That's all I got. So be on the lookout for all this info I'm going to be sharing with you from all these incredibly bright people I'm going to be learning from about anything encompassing health, healing, and happiness. It's coming. Another year of it. Yes. Mwah.